The snow fell hard and fast, and suddenly, the little black kitten was all alone. Cold and exhausted, he curled up beneath the snow, hoping the storm would pass. Through the wind and snow, a ginger cat sensed something was wrong. He paused, listened carefully, and followed the faint cry carried by the storm. Every step grew heavier, but he didn't stop, knowing someone needed him. Without a thought, he wrapped the kitten in warmth, refusing to leave him. Soon, a gray cat arrived, bringing comfort and a promise of safety. She moved quickly, carrying what she could, determined to help before it was too late. When morning came, they walked home together, no longer lost, no longer alone.